Well, here we are. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. We got Mr. Blue Sky. We got a frost. It's all good here at the farm. It's already been a busy morning, but we're getting ready for the rush hour that the animals out to do their thing. And of course, I've got my helpers here, Emerald and Mo. I think Bumblebee was out here as well. And I think Taz is around here somewhere as well. What a beautiful morning. Now, Sunday is a bit like any other day really on the farm, with the duties of having to feed, water. And water, it can be a problem because with a frost you get frozen water. So you've got to be careful with frozen pipes. So we have to do a lot of lagging our pipes. But let's get the day on. Let's try to relax. But what will happen with the animals, who knows? Maybe Mo knows, or even George. I'm sure George will want to run today. Sunday rush hour. Who's coming out? We got the rubber ducks. We got the sheep. Oh, we got the sheep. And then he's got here as well. This is a beautiful morning. Showing the sheep out there. Here comes Chatty the rooster. Here comes Chatty the rooster. We've got a beautiful morning, haven't we now? It's the best morning ever. Enjoying the sunshine, stretching their wings. So greetings and good morning. We're here on a beautiful Sunday morning. Julia's on feed duty and gate duty there. Chris, where are we going? Shall we go to Julia's? Shall we go to Julia's? Do you want to go to Julia's? Do you want to go to Julia's? Chris, there's a cat there. Come on. George. Come on, George. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Off we go. Off we go. How fast can we go? How fast can we go? How fast can we go? You want some treats? So we got a morning walk up with George. Oh, Chris, this is lovely. I like the morning walk. We got Emerald here as well. Emerald! So, shall we stop a minute? Shall we stop? Shall we stop? With a bit of toast, shall we? Have a bit of toast. Have a bit of toast. We're going to have a bit of toast this morning. So there comes Oreo. He's come to join us. Emerald! Emerald! Oh, it's a beautiful morning. So we're going to go for a nice little run in a moment. Oh, best way to start the day. We have Emerald, Velcro Pumpkin, Oreo, all come to join me this morning for the best day ever. So George has had his run. It's time to let the donkeys out now. So I'm going to open the gate up. Eli, can you open the gate up? Eli! Oh, nutmeg, Nicky's nutmeg. So we're going to take the donkeys out. Chris, can we go outside? We'll go outside for a run. It's a beautiful morning. So George has had his run. Emerald's now 11 weeks, it could be 12. Who knows? Maybe Mo. And George is waiting for us, waiting for his mum to come out and join us. Hello, Mo. So it's time for the donkeys to have a run, for me to go and get the animals to feed. I'm exhausted. It's only just early Sunday morning. That's the best workout to have. George has gone back in. He's had enough. Come on then. Let's go. Okay. Taz is just sat there, enjoying a bit of warmth. Just seeing what else it brings. Oh, Queenie's out. Queenie, our rescue goat. Oh, you just got to enjoy the sunshine. It's beautiful, beautiful. Well, we got Emerald is growing up and taking on the turkey, which is Bobo. Now the turkey is fearless. So This is not something you should do. Bobo, I wouldn't fight back because Emerald's going to get stronger and stronger. What's happening is Emerald is protecting me. I don't need protecting from a turkey. So it was nice to get out into the field this morning with see the sheep. And we did a live on Facebook, which was good. Be able to share this. I can hear the crows all gathering as they get ready for, yes, a new season. Chicks will be on the way, or eggs will be on the way soon. But this oak tree will be seen on our wonderful set of cards that are coming out. Happy Sunday. Well, it's the end of the day. Well, not quite end of the day. End of the afternoon. Come on. The time to get the donkeys in. Come on, Nutmeg. It's still beautiful sunny, and the nice thing about it. No. In we go. Hello, George. Come on. In we go. Molly Chaff treats. Come on, in we go. Come on. So we're bringing them all in to give them their treats. They've had a good day out. And of course they got new company because I got Widget in. Widget is now in here, ready for the TB test, along with Angus. Did I just hear someone knock a bucket down? Who was that? That was Edward. Come on, no going back out. So Oreo's got a piece of wood. So they're checking the bucket. They're checking everything. We're going to get them in. George is checking every bucket. There could be treats in one of them. There will be in a minute. Oh, and Eli. And Oreo has got a stick. See you at sunset. Well, one thing that's happened again today, not for the first time, I put my glasses down and they disappeared. I'm not blaming anybody, Taz. I'm not blaming anybody. Yes, I am. Look out for my glasses. Taz has run off with them. Can the rosemary's all going to go in? Got to get them in a bit quick before the sheep try to get in there. But we're coming to the end of the day. The sheep are trying to get in. We've got to keep them out if we can. Because we've got widgets in our we say our pen at the moment. Go away. So there we are, end of the day. Donkeys are in, and yes, what a day it's been. But it's been a lovely day. The weather has made such a difference, and it's so good. Even though I do all the rounds obviously at night, and I go round. In Cookie, the rooster was around here. Now, if I hadn't come round here, Cookie would not have been here in the morning. Mr. Fox would have come round. So you've got to be very vigilant on the farm. You never know where the animals may go to. But always in nice and safely. The cats to feed, Oreo to feed. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a nice bath, a little bit of a rest, a little bit of a catch up with some of my messages and emails. But for now, I'm going to say good night and thank you for being there. I hope your weekend went well, and we're looking forward to a lovely week. And don't forget, love you more. Happy Sunday.